Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Face ID, pro tips step by step clearly. To set up Face ID, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest iOS version. Find a well-lit space for optimal facial recognition. Wake your device by tapping the screen or pressing the side button. Navigate to Settings and select Face ID and Passcode. If prompted, enter your passcode to access the settings. Next, tap on Set up Face ID. When prompted, choose whether to use Face ID with or without a mask. Hold your device vertically in front of your face. Make sure your face is in the frame. Gently move your head in a circle to capture your face from different angles. Complete the first scan by following the on-screen instructions. Once the first scan is successful, tap Continue to proceed. Now, repeat the head movement for the second scan. After the second scan is complete, tap Done. You can now enable additional features, like using Face ID for App Store purchases or unlocking other apps. For enhanced security, consider adding a secondary appearance if your look changes frequently. Test your Face ID by locking your device and attempting to unlock it. Adjust the lighting in your environment if Face ID doesn't work consistently. If needed, recalibrate your Face ID by selecting Reset Face ID in the Settings menu. Using these pro tips, you can set up Face ID effectively for improved security and convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.